One strange rock beside a Thai pond just grew into 9 elephants. Scientists have now named it Nagatitan chaiyaphumensis, a giant long-necked sauropod from northeastern Thailand. The bones were not a complete monster skeleton. They were pieces from a real animal. Spine, ribs, pelvis, and limb bones recovered near Chayaphum and studied for years. Then one measurement changed the scale of the room. A front leg bone was about 1.78 meters long, almost a person lying flat. From the linked bones, researchers estimated an animal about 27 meters from head to tail. That is not a movie dragon. That is a plant eater heavier than a truck, roughly 27 tons, about 9 adult Asian elephants. The name carries the reveal. Naga points to the serpent traditions of the region. Titan means giant. Chayaphum is the Thai province where the fossils were found. Now the camera has to leave the pond. More than 100 million years ago, this was a Cretaceous landscape. A huge sauropod moved through forests and floodplains, not chasing prey, just turning plants into mass. The science is careful. A fossil estimate is not a scanned living animal. But the paper argues these bones make Nagatitan the largest dinosaur yet found in Southeast Asia. That is why the story is bigger than size. One pond edge became a lab table. A lab table became a skeleton. A skeleton became a map of where giant dinosaurs still have gaps in the file. The headline sounds impossible. Thailand found a last titan. The real point is quieter. The ground was holding a giant for 100 million years, and it only needed someone to measure the bone.